How to see hidden mentions on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. So as you log into your account, you can go for any of this story over here. So as you can see, they are not shown hidden mentions, or there are no seen mentions on this Instagram story. Now if I have to see the hidden mentions on this story, it's not possible for me. The feature is not available for us as users provided by the application. You can only see the mention that has been shown or that has been kept on by the story creator or the one who has kept the story. Now if you want to see the hidden mentions, then you can click or just tap on the top of the story and the bottom of the story, and you'll be able to see some hidden mentions. Otherwise, there's no direct way to see the hidden mentions on Instagram story. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.